Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about a bird that is famous for its calls in Sri Lanka. The Asian KOEL or Koha. The Asian KOEL is a member of the Cuckoo order of birds. It is found in the Indian Subcontinent, China and Southeast Asia. Adult males glossy black with dull lime green bill. Females and immatures blackish brown with white dots on the wings and strong streaking on the head and throat. Adults have ruby red eyes. The Asian KOEL, like many of its related cuckoo kin, is a brood parasite that lays its eggs in the nests of crows and other hosts, who raise its young without knowing. Their calls vary breeding season to the other. It is the call of the breeding season that the Sri Lankans are most familiar with. Locally named Kovula or more famously Koha. The bird is widely used symbol in the Indian and Nepali poetry. I have seen the Asian KOEL many times. It is famous because its call said to bring the traditional New Year of Sri Lanka falls either on 13th or 14th of April. Is a festival where the entire family get together dressed in traditional dresses, where they eat traditional food, play New Year games, and a day full of festive activities.